Heyo, what is up? It's your boy Taylor Grant, and I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today, Ella writes in, we had a claim and we were not being treated fairly, thus we gave up. Oh, that pains me. That so pains me. Don't give up. Every point raised, they said the policy did not cover. It took 10 days to get a copy of the policy to show we were covered for roof water damage. Then we were told to submit a second claim for an additional deductible. We requested a second adjuster and we were told that was not an acceptable adjuster in our area. This was for hail damage and they would only consider patching the roof instead of replacing our roof. Our neighbors who have a different insurance company, their next door neighbors, are having repairs completed as we type this. I found the staff to be junior in status and not willing to provide a service for which we thought we were paying for. This was the first and only claim with the insurance company in over some 10 years. So you guys have heard me say that before, right? Like the insurance company loves you when you're paying your insurance premiums. Now you become a liability the instant that you make a claim. The instant that you make a claim, you become a liability. And it's unfortunate because why? I've been paying my premiums for however long I've been paying them. You as the insurance company have agreed that if something like this happens, you'll pay for it. The other thing too that Ella brings up is sometimes you are working with somebody that is of junior status, meaning they're not the top dog, they're not the decision maker. They don't have the authority to pay the claim fully. So what do? Don't give up. The answer is do not give up. If you want to give up, the claims process is not for you. Do not give up. That's what they're hoping that you're going to do. And a lot of people do. A lot of people just give up because they don't even know the public insurance adjusters and Bellator claims even exists, right? So ultimately, do not give up, continue the fight, and make sure you understand what you're fighting for, right? And then if you are not getting what you want from the adjuster that you're speaking to, get their supervisor, and their supervisor, and their supervisor, and their supervisor. Call the news. Tweet about it. I don't know what the right answer is. It's different for every claim, but I can tell you that giving up is not the right answer. Do not give up. That is so, no. But I will tell you, if you need help, if your claim has been denied, delayed, diminished, or you have to go to court, you need help outside of yourself because most consumers, most insureds do not have any idea how to run an insurance claim and navigate through everything that the insurance company is going to say. They will tell you a lot of things. You're like, yeah, that sounds right. Does it? Is it right? Does it say that in your policy? Well, we don't do that because our internal guidelines. I don't give a crap about your internal guidelines. I, as the consumer insured, didn't sign a policy that had your internal guidelines connected to it. I signed a policy that says this is the coverage, not some bull crap behind it that you guys are using to not pay my claim. None of that works for me, right? But ultimately, if you give up, it's just the worst. I'm sorry. Don't give up. Contact us today, bellatorclaims.com. Let us see how we can help you.